Abhilash Baranwalal, IAS, Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasihan District, Mantagasi Lapelong Jialang, Baginong Tok Kubor, Bantintip Shpanga Jinglet Rung ïing, Kaban sdang Naduh tarik thliew, Habarok Constituency, Jungka East Kasihan, Bynta ka jingtrei Jungka Special Intensive Revision SIR, Jungka Election Commission of India.
Election Commission juga di India, aku bahkan sedang yang SIR, aku dengan kita berjuni, ya kaba trading, ya bynta di electoral registration officers, di ROs, di BLO supervisors, di BLO, di ladat penong labun sin, namba di bersih bynta hari ke SIR, tentang di RO, di BLO, tentang di pala tip benyak hari di bat kenika SIR. Di kumba pitip ba Naduh lasai ke sini di BLO kinrung haman ki longye hapo ke East Kasihan District pada kejelah hiru baru kawai day but ke enumeration form pada kaba nakal yang joga district administration ni kerpa jur ni kerpa ren ye way nong kap vote man laki thliew ki badon hapo ke East Kasihan District bakin shimkia ban pendap ye kini enumeration form pada kaju kapor bakin submit ikini enumeration form syaki BLO. Ki BLO kin wan license laiwan. Syak ïing kisem jong kinong kap vote but kiri benshim ya kani kalan nama license laiwat kin wan hakaba dada kidon kino kijing bam smutho ani kijing bam nang man pendap ikini ki form ki BLO jungi kila ayo ya trading ka janai hakaba kila banyarap ikini ki baik ki jungi dese ki bam nang syaki thain nong pendang man pendap ikini ki form no ban pendap ikini ki form hakapor ba ki ya ye na kerpat sa sisien pan bayagani ke enumeration form bakinum smobha ban shimkia ban submit ikini ki enumeration form balada phim submit ki enumeration form yaga kerteng ka jongki hapo ka draft electoral roll ka bangit satani hognai august kanumdan di kumbala kha de EDC mentan kelombang kerpat sa sisien ya baro kinong shong keladon ya kerteng ko electoral roll jong arjar arfusan bakin pendap ikini di enumeration forms but lada kidon ganu ka jing kimde man aftertin bakin phone na kini number bangila ada ai lani bakin phone syaki BLO jongki lani ki BLO supervisor jongki but what ki ERO jongki ro badeki electoral registration officers dada kidon ganu ka jing hape de bat ka jing pendap ya kanika enumeration form hadin jong ka jing pendap ya ka enumeration form kan sedang ka rationalization joki polling station lada dang don kam penting kan sedang ka at kundai tarik benai Julai ajar akun real nang ta draft electoral roll kumangala ong bentan ka san tarik but hadin kani pat kan sedang ka period ha ba kini sa file ka claims and objections tila dala dadan manu ka por ba baya ïing ki BLO ki miss out dan ga kerteng jongki kamdan kimde batin puslai kadon ka por ha ba ka election commission kala ai ki ya kala na do ka san tarik jong benai August hado ka South tarik jong benai September ha batin 1 mi ban ai rengkat nang ikut isna ki balesi maki ki kwa ban ai rengkat bak enumeration form ka jongki nang ba kinum do ya ka kerteng ka jongki bangrong hapo ka electoral roll ngasukuan pentit handiru ba ngilada penlong atli ki jingalang bagi sen partai hapo ka district ka jongi bak hakini ki jingalang ka bangila long ngila batai sai ki ka proses ka bayade bak SIR but jipersyang juga district administration bentik ba ulu lani kalu ka badi hong ba ka keteng jungki ka badi bandan ko electoral roll kanne but ulu lani kalu bam de hong bandan ye ka keteng jungki ko electoral roll in bengno yaki kabaar nga ada penong ro ya kajingalang bagi dorbar song ka level jungki electoral registration officer ba kitem ka East Kasihan kadang khatnyo tali ki assembly constituency but haman iwe assembly constituency dan iwe electoral registration officer hakba electoral registration officer lani electoral registration officer kila ada penlong ya kajingalang bat ki dorbar song nang ban yo ai kajingalang lang ka bajanai bat ki dorbar song bantai ba hakor ba yang kali ke SIR kilo gino ba de hok kinum do bandan yang terteng hapo ka electoral roll kidon ki ba kuslai let's say kita bukan hari ni keluar berpihak yang ki BLO doktor makin kuslai nomor yang ni ke enumeration kita nak pendak online bahkan ni film menlet bahkan ECI net ini kepat ikipat muncul lada pidon ki bahyang ki bahasan ki parok perjor ki bapi itu itau ki balik say ki nundan haka ni keluar berpihak yang ki BLO subha ba penting yaki lamba jom ni dalam apa buat bynta sini bagi lah pendak yaki ni ki enumeration forms online lamba jom ke ECI net balada kidan ke no kejing arpetin ila men phone jadi ni helpline number yang dipanggil ai syafi bentan ba rapor bolong tre ila men phone yang ini ki number harus panggil ambo ya ki officers bagi staff juni harus panggil ai jubang harus bede bat kanika SIR proses but kabak hadu balong ba ya ke electoral roll kabak hadu an penni hakah ni peritu Oktober arja arko Rio. Bahkan ni kalau hadir menilai ada Thailand yang baru dimuncul senang, bila ada pendak di enumeration form, bila ada pendak di hearing, maka terpenjung di dalam buku electoral roll. Ngan bandiang kejing penong ya SIR kembali bagi bangi di kerteng, bagi bentuk lang ya baru kiba day hok. Kibam day hok pan, let's say kibala flatno, kibam sa syuk ini kejakan, dan ini kiba dan arti di kerteng. Hati wegi constituency, but let's say for East Coast district go, kani ka SIR kan pek ba anla menbeng no yaki thank you.
Kumu penne paling iku ba penting kan don ki top di sama top ba ni ni shop. Kono kom pek. Handil kita.
Dina tu daw mila penlong ya kejingalang bat ki seng pertai, mila penlong ya kejingalang ro bat ki dor bash no. Kilo ki certificate ki ba mini yo. Na pakai ECI kalau ada bo khatwe tli kipat kiba lagi kedulir kiba kipat bah kila benai hakapor badon claims and objections ni nalor kata ni bandiang ni pando ya ke certificate na kibor snong nang manla man pensisya bagi ni gidi ginong song snong bagi bala itu ithawi dagal yang jong ka snong ya habili bagi certificate let's say kiba ana tinu ginu snong ka badon kanu ka kajing artaten habede ban kajing thok ni kajing shisha jo kini gipat isla hakapor bangi penlong ya ke hearing kumba julong hakapor election kindon ki booth level agents dan ni kita bami kpa iki seng pertai nang ba hakapor mengisin ni hearing kanong haba shit haba shai haba ui kan don kanu bajing artatin haka hearing ban pek ba u la ni ka tinundo ke kerteng jong ki electoral roll dan ni la da kimbi hok ro badi ban weng na ke kerteng jong ki na ka electoral roll
Ni sutho bagi iskasios kadon bentaro. Di modal
kumbala batai sai the deputy commissioner of the East Coast district ni ka SIR ni ka exercise barok we along ban pek bagi badai hok in mani ka kerteng ko electoral roll lemba jong ni ka SIR ni lada Sinkhia na yang di jong tinong song haban pendak di enumeration forms ba mujur ban sinkhia ban pek bagi kerteng di dalam ko electoral roll but da jing ban rap lang jong ki sang partai kiba kasya ka election commission ka bakan don ka SIR kajing don benta ka jong ki Naduh ka sdang Naduh ka enumeration ka ba ya ïing ki BLO hado akapor here no unjo kani hi kal adai ka sistem ka bangila banong hakban pek ba tinong song badi hok man yo kinyo but kito pat bam dei hok man yo inveng ka kerteng jong ki na ko electoral
regarding the house-to-house visits that is going to start from tomorrow across all the constituencies of East Khasi Hills as a part of the special intensive revision exercise of the Honorable Election Commission of India. The house-to-house visit will continue for 1 month from 30th of June till 29th of July, during which our BLOs will go to every house and will distribute the self-enumeration form to every registered elector of 2005 electoral roll. And the message and the request to all the electors through this press conference is to take this exercise very seriously and simultaneously to not be afraid of this exercise at all. As has been stated by Honorable Election Commission of India, the idea is to include and not to exclude, and this is a process of enumeration of the existing voters only. The self-enumeration form has to be duly filled and submitted to the BLOs, and thereafter there will be 1 month for filing of any claims and objections. Thereafter, Additional 1 month will be taken by all the EROs to decide on those claims and objections, and finally we'll have our final electoral roll published on 7th of October 2026. The idea of SIR, as has been stated by Honorable Election Commission of India, is to have a clean, error-free and accurate electoral roll.
What about the post 2005? Post after
So basically the baseline electoral roll that has been taken across the India is 2005 electoral roll, because that was the last time when comprehensive revision of the electoral roll was undertaken by ECI.
So what are the documents after the 2005? What are the documents required?
So as at the enumeration stage, no documents are required. The electors are only supposed to deposit their properly filled self-enumeration form. That is all that is required at the stage of the enumeration. We expect that an overwhelming majority of electors will be handled through their enumeration forms only. In cases of a small fraction of voters where additional clarification will be required by the BLOs, the electors will be informed. They will be given time to submit additional documents, which is there is a list of indicative documents by the ECI, a list of 11 documents, but that is not exhaustive. We have directed our BLOs that they should collect every document that is being submitted by the electors, and simultaneously whatever the document, whether it is a church certificate, whether it is a headman certificate, every document will be collected, and the decision to basically a decision on the fate of the elector will be taken by the ERO, not only on the basis of the 11 indicative documents, but through an overall through an overall understanding of on the basis of all the documents which have been submitted.
What about those who are not residing now? They have already they are the registered voters here, but they have got out.
So for them it is not a problem at all. The Election Commission of India has also allowed for online filling of the self-enumeration form through the ECI net website. Simultaneously, they can always approach our BLOs for any additional help as well. Through phone number, they can always reach our helplines as well. Apart from the 1950 helpline of Honorable Election Commission of India, from district administration also we have issued 2 helpline numbers, which is 0364 250 1250 and 2501 228.
So what about the first time voters here who have not had their card number?
So that is also one part, that is also one objective of the SIR, that we want to make sure that everyone who is an eligible voter, 18 plus, they should be included.
But they still doesn't have the
So that's okay, they can always submit their Form 6 as well, and during the house-to-house verification also, it will be found out by the BLOs that these have become elector voters. They are not really present in the 2005 electoral roll, as they have just become eligible, and they will also be included. As I said, the objective is to include and not to exclude.
How many BLOs are all of them in these cases?
So we have 1027 polling stations, right?
1021.
1021, and we have 1021 BLOs.
So still some clarity needed. The first phase will be only for those who are registered 2005. 2005, yes. Then what about the others?
It's not a first phase, second phase. There are different categories of voters, that's true. But then the first phase is for basically the 2025 elected voters. The voters who are present in the 2025 electoral roll. The BLOs are going to take these pre-filled self-enumeration forms and give it to every voter who was present during whose name is present in the 2025 electoral roll.
This is last year.
This is the enumeration form that is being given to them, in which additional details will have to be filled by the concerned voter and then submitted back to the BLOs. Also, a pre-mapping has also been done, so basically the BLOs will have this enumeration form in place, which has been submitted by the voters of 2025 electoral roll. A pre-mapping has also been done. Collectively, we hope that an overwhelming majority of voters will not really have to be put through the hearings and objections.
So, who are those likely to be